everybody. Thanks for watching our new video. We are the Piano Solutions Piano Workshop. Today I want to show you a tool that got a very limited application. But it's very important in the process of fitting the strings after we apply the strings on the harp. Let's talk about piano wire. Piano wire, it's another way, it's a spring wire. And you can make the springs from this wire. It's a very strong, very resilient wire. But let's say if I turn it around the dowel like this, of course I apply the certain force like this. And let's see, when I release the force, you see the wire getting bigger diameter. It means it's tend to get back to this condition to the certain of course extent, but on every changes of direction of the wire, the wire create a curve, and in the termination points on the piano, if you got the curve, it's probably affect the quality of the sound of the piano. And let's go to the piano and I show you where it might happen. It might happen here when the wire goes through air graph. It might happen here on the bridges that they change direction. We have to straighten the wire here. But let's look at these points where the air graphs and where the copper bar goes. Let's say they use this tool, the hook, right? That they just get under the string and lift it slightly just to eliminate this curve. They can do it on each string, but when it comes to the copper bar, unfortunately, you got no even space over there, and you cannot control because it's under the cast iron bar here. In order to work here, you need a special tool. This is the most important area. It's a critical area where we have to straighten the strings. And the way I do it, I can do it only from the bottom. Yeah, I want to explain a little bit how the tool works. Basically, it's a simple design. You see the level that lift this square rod on the top. And when it's hit the strings, it apply the pressure on the strings and straighten them from the bottom, because the string, they make the curve to the bottom of the piano. And I can use it, let's say, on this piano, and I did it already when I apply the strings. But generally, I want to show you how it works inside the piano. This, of course, the piano is ready for stringing. And when you apply this tool on the bottom, you see your string's going to be here. That's how you work. You just push the level down and the rod goes up. And 3 strings simultaneously, you can just bring it right to the copper bar and straighten it very carefully, achieve the goal and basically the clarity and the sustain of the piano. How to make this tool? And you can see, basically the engineer probably can do it right away, but I want to just give you a little bit more explanation what it got. The whole concept of this tool is the lever, as you see here, and it just go under the rod. The rod is in the channel, and of course it's a ball bearing over there to decrease the friction, and you just push the level and the rod goes up like this. Another feature on this tool is that you can change the ratio. You see, I made like 4 points that you can move your lever here. You see, just increase the pressure if you want to do it. Or you can put it like this, even just like this, move it on another, increase more, you see? And I use it on the lowest ratio. And this is just, you just protected that it's not goes up. Now, as you see, it's all aluminum. It's a very friendly material that you can do it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.